Halo. Hai semua. Oke, saya akan mulakan ucapan kami. Selamat petang dan salam sejahtera diucapkan kepada yang berbahagia Encik Mojuntin Ibin, Pegawai Pendidikan Daerah Penampang, yang berusaha Puan Pengetua Cemerlang Puan Meriong Pikwa, yang berbahagia Datuk Philip Lasimbang, selaku Persatuan Ibu Bapa dan Guru Sekolah Menengah St. Michael Penampang, yang berbahagia Encik Hector Jintoni, Wakil Lembaga Pengurusan Sekolah, barisan penolong kanan, barisan guru yang dihormati para ibu bapa, EJK PIBG SM St. Michael Penampang, dan rekan-rekan tingkatan 5 sekalian. Sebelum kami memulakan ucapan kami, di petang kami mau buat sedikit kelainan. Kami start dengan ucapan versi bahasa Melayu. Oke, kamu oke kan? Oke. Terlebih dahulu, kami ingin mengucapkan ribuan terima kasih kepada semua kerana memberikan peluang kami sebagai wakil pelajar tingkatan 5 Bestari untuk berucap di hadapan pada petang ini. Sesungguhnya petang ini merupakan petang yang sangat bermakna kepada pelajar-pelajar tingkatan 5. Hadirin dan hadirat sekalian, mengimbas kembali kata-kata yang diungkapkan oleh guru kelas kami, Mami Chong, kami sebelum pertandingan choir patriotik antara kelas-kelas tingkatan 5, it is not about winning a competition together as a classmate, but the important thing is that the memory that we create together through the time. Kata-kata ini membuka pikiran kami untuk sadar bahawa kemenangan bukanlah segalanya, tetapi apa yang penting ialah kenangan yang kami cipta bersama-sama dan senyuman lebar riak wajah kami. Kalian darah tidak wujud antara kami. Duduk dalam kelas yang sama tidak bermakna tiada sengketa yang berlaku antara kami. Tetapi sengketa itulah yang menyatukan kami pada akhirnya. Ada kalanya ego menguasai kami, tetapi rekan-rekan sekelas akan berusaha untuk menyatukan kami. Kerana bagi kami, duduk di kelas yang sama bermakna kami adalah sebuah keluarga yang besar. Segala kenangan yang kami cipta bersama bukan untuk tatapan kami pada hari ini, tetapi kenangan inilah yang bakal kami kenang sepanjang hayat kami, kerana kenangan ini tidak akan pernah lagi kami temui di masa hadapan. Tidak lupa juga kepada rakan-rakan seperjuangan tingkatan 5 yang lain, dari kelas amanah hingga ikhlas. Terlalu banyak kenangan yang kita cipta bersama-sama, terutamanya dalam pertandingan yang banyak dianjurkan oleh sekolah. Terima kasih atas persaingan sihat yang telah kalian anugerahkan. Segala kenangan pahit manis yang kita lalui bersama, susah senang kita dalam menempuh alam remaja dan alam persekolahan. 5 tahun bersama kamu semua mengajar kami erti persefahaman, erti persaingan yang sihat, erti persahabatan yang tidak pernah mengenal darjat, dan erti untuk saling menghormati antara satu sama lain merupakan anugerah yang tidak ternilai.
Now allow us to continue the speech in English. Honestly, it is truly a challenging journey for all the Form 5s throughout these 5 years of high school experience. Each and every one of us have experienced breakdowns, hurtful moments, those sleepless nights of studying, fights between friends, and maybe even depression. Maybe some of us swallow hurtful words from the people we surround ourselves with. Despite all those bitter experiences, it could never compare to all the jokes that made us laugh into tears. That thrill when our class wins a competition, the teamwork of the whole class when one of us didn't finish our homework, and the motivation and advices we get from our classmates and wonderful teachers when we really need them, and all the countless wonderful moments we had in this school is truly something to be cherished in the future. I definitely believe that God has His reasons putting us in those situations. No matter where we go or what we do, there's always challenges ahead of us. One of our teachers used to say, "The world out there is a world full of challenges, and you're going to have to learn how to adapt with people around you." Then it came to me that to what we feel like a barrier we need to overcome today, there's another great barrier ahead of us that we need to overcome in the outside world. As we step out of high school after fighting our war with the important exam that we're all going to sit, it is the first barrier we take down, and it is also the beginning of the journey to break down the great barrier that is ahead of us in the future. What I'm asking from each of you and from myself is to meet those challenges with our head held high and our heart wide open. I know it's not going to be an easy task to deal with, but we all made it this far. Why stop now? There will be one of those days where things are going to feel like everything is going to fall apart. But have faith in God and persevere through those situations, and things are maybe falling into places. As we begin ourselves to the beginning of a new journey, let bygones be bygones and let go everything that holds us back in the past, and move forward for a fresh new start.
Before we end our speech, on behalf of the students of 5 Best Study, we would like to say thank you to our beloved Madam Mary for all the things that she has done to make the school a better place. Madam is truly a principal that every school could ask for, and also to all the teachers that have given their everything for us to improve ourselves in every aspect. Not to forget our class teacher, Mami Chong. In fact, all the teachers for their patience in teaching us, as we repeatedly forget what we have been taught, and specifically to Mami Liu, who made us laugh every time during mathematics class. We also like to express our sincere apologies for all the mistakes, the wrongdoings, all the hurtful words that might hurt any of you, whether we realize it or not. We hope each and every one of us could pray for each other as we encounter the journey ahead of us. Cheers to the wonderful moments that we cherish in St. Michael Penampang. To quote one of our friends about this event, he said, "Today is the beginning of an end. Separation becomes preparation." Once a Michaelian, always a Michaelian. Thank you very much.
Terima kasih diucapkan kepada Wakil Pelajar.